Namaskar दोस्तों. So recently we have celebrated the 7th National Law Day, and on that special occasion we have for you a fantastic series of rapid fire on Indian Constitution. तो start करने से पहले आपको एक interesting fact बता दूं कि the Indian Constitution is the lengthiest written constitution in the whole world. So let's start. Question 1. In which case the Supreme Court held that the preamble is the basic feature of the Constitution? Answer: Keshwanand Bharti case. From which country is the preamble of the Indian Constitution adopted? The answer is United States of America, USA. Question 3. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Answer: Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Question 4. When was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee? Answer is 29th August 1947. Question 5. Who was the constitutional advisor of the Constituent Assembly? The answer is B.N. Rao. Question 6. Who was the temporary chairman of the Constituent Assembly? The answer is Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. Question 7. How many members were in the drafting committee? The answer is 7 members. Question 8. How many articles, parts, and schedules are there in the Indian Constitution? The answer is currently we have 448 articles, 25 parts, and 12 schedules. However, during enactment, the Constitution had 395 articles, 22 parts, and 8 schedules. Coming on to question 9, when was the Constituent Assembly formed? The answer is 6 December 1946. Question 10. When was the first meeting of the Constituent Assembly held? The answer is 9th December 1946. Question 11. What was the expenditure in the making of the Constitution? And the answer is rupees 6.4 million. Question 12. Who was the president of the Constituent Assembly? The answer is Rajendra Prasad. Question 13. Who replaced B.L. Mittal as he resigned from his post as a member of the drafting committee? The answer is N. Madhava Rao. Question 14. Which language got recognition along with Bodo, Dogri, and Santali in 2003 by the 92nd Amendment? And the answer is Maithili. Question 15. When is Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas, also called National Law Day, celebrated? The answer is 26th November. Question 16. The original Constitution of India is kept in a special casing in the Library of the Parliament. The casing is filled with which gas to prevent deterioration of the Constitution? And the answer is helium gas. Question 17. Which article talks about the national emergency, President's rule or state emergency, and financial emergency? And the answer is national emergency in Article 352, President's rule or state emergency in Article 356, and financial emergency in Article 360. Coming on to question number 18. Who illustrated the original final manuscript of the Constitution of India? The answer is Biohar Ram Manohar Sinha. Question 19. V. Narhari Rao was the first person to hold which constitutional authority from 1948 to 1954? The answer is Controller and Auditor General. Question 20. From which countries are the fundamental rights and duties adopted? The answer is fundamental rights adopted from United States of America or USA, and fundamental duties from Russia. Question 21. Who is the custodian of Indian Constitution? The answer is Chief Justice of India. So guys, with this question, we end up with the part 1 of our Know Your Constitution Rapid Fire. We'll be soon coming up with part 2 of the same. So till then, stay tuned and